Now this is another way to write. Okay, you wanted to write it. This is the same thing. You can write in SOP. Okay, so now the question of this. Now what will be the answer of this question? Okay, who will tell me?
11.
Okay, 11. I'm getting the 11. Okay, anybody? Shabash.
11 two time.
11 two
11
time. 11. Okay, Shabash. Matlab 2 time. I got it 2 time.
11.
11. Shabash. Students, that before that what you do, you write in here. Okay, you write in here, and now I'm putting in here in between the SOP. Now must listen this concept, but this concept is unique. Okay, why I'm saying unique? I will tell you why it's unique. Note, it is not same like this. Okay, it is not same like this. Okay, this is the difference. They will give you the different answer. How? Now the concept, brother and sister, is that. Ji, my brother. You come on. Yeah.
Sir, 11 and 10 do.
11 and 10. Okay. So let it check it down. Okay, I'm telling you the concept now. Carefully listen. So compiler come. Okay, compiler come. What it will do? Compiler read. Okay, the starting is class. Okay, you say yes sir, class. Compiler read class. Okay, no problem. And the next, the class name also okay. The class name is okay. Also you giving the class name. If you are not giving the class name, let's suppose, it will give you error. Okay, simple as that mean na. कि भाई compiler आएगा read करेगा and compiler have to see that you should give the name. Okay, that thing, compile reading each and every letter which is given by yourself. So check curly bracket as well. It check the curly bracket. If you miss the curly bracket, my brothers, it will give error. Okay, so many students come to me, sir, why it's giving error? Because of why you haven't mentioned what? Curly bracket. So it checks syntax. Okay, by the syntax you written is correct or not. So it will check also integer. Okay, so what I'm telling you that each and every letter check by the compiler. So when compiler, my brothers, when compiler come to system, says okay, it say okay, it's correctly written. Now it move to the next statement, out and then print. When it comes to the A, what A contains? Shabash.
So 10.
Okay, brother. When A contains 10, screen will show with 10. Screen will not print 11 because, and here you have to understand what I'm going to say. Just try to grab that thing. I said the compiler come to this A and it show on the screen that A. Okay. When compiler come to this another thing, that this is the plus sign. Okay, because this is a unique way. If it's written in that way, let's suppose it's written in that way, A+2, then it's easy for compiler to understand the both thing. Java ने क्या किया भाई? अगर इस तरह लिखोगे तो इन दोनों को साथ ले रहा है, इन दोनों को फिर साथ ले रहा है ना. It's combined both thing. But if you're writing this way, compiler not taking as a whole. Compiler say no. This is two statement is different thing. Now A is a different thing. I have to print first A, written on the A, and then I have to see this plus sign. Now this plus sign means that you have to update A. Okay, update A+1 and make it whatever the operation perform, and then it make it assigned to A. That's it. Now on the screen, what have you seen? You've seen 10. Now as you know that A is updated. A is updated not just because compiler is here now. A now contains 11. Okay. Now A is contain 11. And the next SOP is contain 11. Just because of A is now updated. You got the answer? Brothers? Thoda bahut samajh mein aaya?
Yes, sir.
I'm coming. Okay, I'm on the way. So, brothers and sisters, you grab the concept, what I'm saying? Okay, let me know. Shabash. Brothers,
Yes,
sisters.
sir, I got it.
Sir, please repeat this question. What are you saying? This question I can't understand now because I am late.
No. For the late, I can't do this. No, for the late, I can't do this. Understand the thing. लेट की वजह से थोड़ी मैं रिपीट करूंगा मेरे ब्रदर्स. इस तरह तो बहुत बीच में कोई और स्टूडेंट आ जाएगा, बोलेगा सब फिर से रिपीट करें, because the concept has been gone. Now the student which already understand what I told them, दे ग्रैब और नॉट, लेट मी नो. जिन बच्चों को मैं समझा चुका हूँ, दे आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम देम. लेट का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, तो लेट करूंगा तो मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. आई हैव टू रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड द स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी नो. वो से यार बोर कर दिया सर ने तो. हाँ, लेट्स.
Sir, I got it.
Arshad, now Himayal, now Anika and Aftab and Kamran, Faizan, Shabash beta.
Yes, sir. समझे.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Be देखो बेटा, brother and sisters, speak with the truth, okay ना? If you don't understand, let me know. सर नहीं सर, थोड़ा सा कच्चा हो गया, थोड़ा सा पक्का हो गया, ठीक है? Just because truth should be prevailed, okay? हाँ, yeah, मुज़म्मिल.
सर 11 कैसे आया ये?
11 कैसे है? Okay, मुज़म्मिल ask me 11 कैसे है? Anybody else? Shabash, I will tell you. हाँ. Yeah, anybody else? Anika, Amayal, Afrin, Shabash. Understand कि why it give an answer of 10 and 11?
जी सर.
बताऊं सर आपको?
Sir, it is 10 and 11 because compiled text is two different statements.
Wait. I only wanted to know just from you know that. Hope you got it answer. You understand the concept or not? As Muzammil asked me, sir, how 11 comes, I will tell. Okay. I know. I want to know from another student as well. That's what's name is. I forgot here already. I think he gone. Oh no, Faizan here. Faizi. Okay, Faizan. Yeah. Faizan sir. Mr. Faizan sir. Yeah. Okay. Faizan,
Yes.
you got the concept? What I'm going to say here? What I told here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So well. Again, I'm repeating. Sorry. Again, I'm repeating. So maybe you got the better understanding. Sir, पहले SOP में हमें इंक्रीमेंट दी के वैल्यू को दूसरे SOP में जब हमें उसको प्रिंट किया तो 11 हो गया. हाँ, शाबाश आफ्ताब got it the point. Or wait a minute, I have to. Starting from this way, that compiler come to system, okay, checking each and every letter. I told you class, I told you this line also checking, also I told you this way. So now when compiler come to this line, it say, okay, the system is writing right, and then compiler come to this out, they say, okay, this out is correctly written, and then compiler come to this print line, okay, this print line is okay, the user print correctly, the programmer write correctly this letter, and then compiler come to A. The A contains, now the concept is why, okay, this, I told you that when then compiler come to this A, it only contains this A. It is not deal with this, okay. What Java said that if you retain this statement in SOP, then compiler not deal with whole this statement. It's in think that this is a single. I'm बेटा आवाज नहीं है. वॉइस आपकी आवाज आ रही है बेटा. Who this? मोहम्मद अहमद वॉइस अपनी बंद करो please. Okay, इसको डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. So what I'm saying that compiler, I mean, I'm giving the concept that when compiler come to read this A, it will not consider this whole statement. Now the problem is that if it is not contain whole statement, you cannot add. Okay. Now see, if it contains the whole statement as a one statement, then it's easy. Na? Because this whole statement means is that by A को add कर दो. Okay. It is mean ना. अगर हम इसको एक ही स्टेटमेंट समझेंगे, if you understand this whole statement is one statement, then you can add. Then it means, I told you already in the topic that it means by A में +1 कर दो, A को assign कर दो. Oh, that's easy. But the problem is that compiler thinking that this A should written first. जैसे कि यहाँ पर A पहले लिखा गया है और इसको कंपाइलर जो है जावा ने कहा है कि नहीं इसको अलग पढ़ना है, इसको अलग पढ़ो, क्योंकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं. क्योंकि यहां पर ये कॉन्सेप्ट देने से क्या होगा, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आगे जब हम प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे वहां पर वो किसी कॉन्सेप्ट पे मतलब वहां पर सी क्लियरिटी होगी, अच्छा यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी अच्छा हुआ, दावा को देना चाहिए था. ओके, तो हम अभी कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने हैं कि हाँ यार अच्छा, जब हम एसओपी के अंदर अगर हमने पहले वेरिएबल लिख दिया तो वो पहले वेरिएबल को स्टोर करेगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा, स्क्रीन पर आएगा और 10 लिखाएगा. इज सो फास्ट 10 लिखाएगा एंड देन कंपाइलर क्या करेगा, देन कंपाइलर ए की वैल्यू बढ़ा देगा. ओके, ए की वैल्यू बढ़ा देगा. कंपाइलर इसके पास आया, अब कंपाइलर इज कमिंग टू दिस एरिया. नाउ दिस एरिया इज टेकन एज अ 1, मतलब इन दोनों को वो क्या लेगा, 1 लेगा. इन दोनों को एक ही स्टेटमेंट कंसीडर करेगा, नॉट अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट इट्स अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. नाउ इट्स कंटेन बोथ प्लस प्लस एज अ वन ऑपरेटर. से ये अब ये क्या है, अब जब कंपाइलर ये देखेगा तो वो समझ जाएगा इट इज एन इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड इट मींस दैट यू हैव टू ऐड 1 in A, okay, and assign to A. Okay, now you know that A contains what? A contains 10. You say, sir, 10. Or do the operation. When you do the operation, it will become now 11. Now you got that A is updated. You can say, sir, now A is updated. That's it, I mean. A is updated. Updated ho gaya. Whatever the reason. Now A is updated. Now A contains. So what will be the answer if we write SOP? Bhai Aftab, this is, I'm giving you this concept, okay? This is a next concept, okay? So right now understand it? You got the understanding that by, okay, now A is updated, now A is 11, okay? A is 11. And the next statement, you are saying print the A again. You are saying print A, now A is updated, A have now value 11. So surely it print 11. My brothers, sisters, got the point?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Okay, after. So
Yes,
I think,
sir.
okay, now I think Muzammil give you good chance, okay, for understanding again. Hope so.
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
No, I said that Muzammil also gave you good chance to every other student. No, you asked the question, sir, 11 कैसे आया? And student, maybe some student शाय की वजह से नहीं कह पाए, मगर जो है आपकी वजह से वो दोबारा जब मैंने रिपीट किया, hope so they got it. Is this so, बेटा? ऐसा हुआ नहीं हुआ? Let me know. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I believe.
सर अब अगर मिसाल 11 की जगह हमने अगला 12 रखना है तो हम जो सेकंड वाला एसओपी है उस पे भी प्लस प्लस का वो लिख देंगे, इंक्रीमेंट कर देंगे सर.
जी जी. Where is Faizan? Faizan, how understand, बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, brother and sister, I am asking you simple question now. I am asking you simple question. What will the answer of this question? Okay, शाबाश. मैंने एक 0 बढ़ा दिया, आप देखा हमने. तो अब आंसर क्या होगा? शाबाश. Who will tell me the first? शाबाश.
Sir, 101.
तो पहले 100 आएगा, then next line में 101 आएगा.
ऐसा आएगा. अनिका ने कहा कि सर पहले 100 आएगा, फिर 101 आएगा.
101.
जी सर, ऐसे ही आएगा. पहले
Okay,
फिर 101.
okay, आफरीन ने भी कहा and Ashfaq is already said के सर 100 आएगा and 101 आएगा. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Same. 100 and 101.
पहले 100 and then 101.
शाबाश. Okay. Okay. तो मैं कहूँगा इसको मैं कम कर देना कि next slide. Okay. So I think Hamayal also said that. So I hope so you got the point. Okay. Hope so you got the point. Why it becomes. Okay. मैं इसको ये कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. So now hope you got the point. How it's increase. अगर SOP के लिखते हैं अंदर तो concept क्या है? वहाँ पर logic क्या हो जाती है? ठीक है ना? So very good thing there. Now give me the answer of this question. Shabash. Who will tell me the first?
सर पहले 1 आएगा, then
1 and 2. 1 and 2, sir.
अहमद कह रहे हैं कि 1 and 2. Yes.
1 2.
सर पहले 1 आएगा, then next line में 2 आएगा.
शाबाश. Next line मनी का 1 and 2. Afrin said 1. या किसने मैसेज किया? Let me check it out. नहीं क्या? अतीक क्या 1 and 2. शाबाश. अतीक you got the point, man. Okay. Okay. So हाँ जी brother. जी मुझे yes.
सर एक सवाल था, जैसे सर ये जो कोई भी वैल्यू हम कंसोल पे पुट कराते हैं सर, तो जो वैल्यू आती है ना सर वो बिल्कुल करीब करीब होती है, मतलब नेक्स्ट लाइन के अंदर तो होती है लेकिन पर वो करीब होती है. अगर उसको एलएन करना हो, मतलब अगली लाइन में अगर पुट करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे सर?
I'm not getting you. You said that from the print ln you get the next line, okay? But it's a karib. Definitely, if you say it's very very close to the next line, so you have to do again slash n, definitely. Then no another option.
सर कहाँ पे?
Between the quotation, you write between the quotation anywhere in the last.
इंटीजर में मैं तो कोटेशन होते नहीं ना सर.
No, so then you write again SOP and then print. No. What? You can write in here. Let's suppose. See, I give you this concept already, buddy, brothers. You can write this way.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
So this is I already gave it to you. No? This concept I already gave it to you. Okay, but this is nicest question asked by this sir. Line spacing कैसे increase करनी है console पे? Line spacing, if you are asking me कि भाई स्पेस देना है, तो एक तरीका तो यहाँ से स्पेस दिया जाता है. Then another way is just write T. Simple. This T will give you the space. Maybe I don't know exactly.